Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna stitch up this cute little veil. This is a nice pattern for this t-shirt. Yeah, it's gonna be a little time taking for it to complete, so grab your coffee or any of the drinks that you like and just sit here with me for next few minutes. So just first I'm gonna use the stem stitch to complete the outlines, the details lines of this cute little veil like this. I'm gonna fill this area with the back stitch, the whole veil. So grab a cup of coffee and be with me for the next few minutes to see how the outcome is going to be. So you can use the stem stitch or even the same back stitch for the outlines and then fill it up with the same stitch as like this. Simply I'm making the outline for her tail and filling it up. So taking a break from the camera and just be back when this completes. So here I am. The veil body is finished with the back stitch. You can see how nicely it is looking up. I took really about 1.5 of the whole strands, I think that it comes the anchor, that DMC thread strands, and here it is, filling it up her eyes with the black strands, half and half with the white one, so it's quite nice. Filling up and filling it up her mouth with the satin stitch. So coming up over here, and now using these sky blue strands with a satin stitch and making a water whirl. Just make a running stitch and interlace it like this to make the waves, and just push it inside to finish it. So again, this time I'm just for the rest areas I'm gonna make some imaginary running stitch lines to make a look of wave kind of thing. And here it is. We have finished the veil. So hit the subscribe button if you like this pattern, and make sure you hit the bell icon to never miss any video update.